Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cucumber jalapeno margarita. First, gather your fresh ingredients: crisp cucumbers, spicy jalapenos, and juicy limes. Next, prepare your spirits and sweetener, which include tequila, orange liqueur, and agave nectar. Finally, make sure you have the right tools on hand, like a muddler, a cocktail shaker, and a strainer to craft your perfect drink. Now, let's get those flavors mingling. Start by placing several cucumber slices and a few jalapeno slices into your cocktail shaker. Use a muddler to gently, but firmly, mash them together, releasing their refreshing and spicy essences. Then, pour in 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Finish by adding about 1/2 ounce of agave nectar for a touch of sweetness. With all your ingredients in the shaker, it's time to chill and combine them perfectly. Fill the shaker to the top with ice, secure the lid, and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until the shaker is frosty cold. Next, fill your serving glass with fresh ice. Strain the vibrant mixture from the shaker into your prepared glass. For a beautiful finish, garnish your margarita with a thin cucumber slice and a small jalapeno ring. To truly perfect your cucumber jalapeno margarita, remember a few key tips. You can easily adjust the number of jalapeno slices you muddle to control the spice level, from mild to extra hot. For an extra layer of flavor, try rimming your glass with a mix of salt and a pinch of chili powder. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space as fresh as your drink.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.